In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wealthfront to Apple Pay step-by-step setup. Whether you're setting this up for everyday purchases or to streamline transfers, I'll walk you through what applies, what information you'll need, and the simplest way to get connected. First, a quick note on eligibility so you don't run into surprises. This setup applies to Wealthfront cash accounts that have checking features, both individual and joint. If your account doesn't include checking, Apple Pay won't recognize it the way we need, so double check that your account has checking capabilities before you start. You have two primary ways to connect your Wealthfront account to payment apps, including Apple Pay. You can link the bank account itself using your routing and account numbers, or you can add your Wealthfront debit card. For Apple Pay, the most seamless experience is usually adding the debit card to the wallet app on your iPhone, since that's what Apple Pay uses at checkout. If you're linking the bank account for transfers within payment apps, have your routing and account numbers ready. You can find these in your Wealthfront cash account details. When any app asks for the account type, choose checking. That's important. Selecting checking ensures the connection works correctly for deposits and withdrawals. Enter the routing number exactly as shown and then your full account number. Many apps will confirm by sending small test deposits or asking you to verify instantly. Simply follow the prompts on screen. If you prefer to add your Wealthfront debit card to Apple Pay, open the wallet app, tap the Add button, and choose to add a debit card. Follow the instructions to scan the card or enter details manually. You may be asked to verify your card with a quick security check. Just complete that step to finish the setup. Once added, your card is ready to use anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. Keep in mind that some payment apps charge fees when you use a card instead of a linked bank account, especially for instant transfers. Apple Pay itself doesn't add a fee for using your debit card at checkout, but it's still a good idea to review any fee disclosures in the specific app you're using so you can choose the most cost-effective option. That's it. Confirm everything is active by making a small test purchase or viewing your card in wallet with the right account type, the correct routing and account numbers, and your debit card added. You're all set to use Wealthfront with Apple Pay confidently and securely.